Hey there again, it's Dynian, or you can call me Dedudum, whichever you prefer. So, um, let's take off from the last tutorial where we kind of learned how to use variables, integer and string. So what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to let the user type in anything they want as those variables. So you'll get what I'm saying when we kind of go through the tutorial. Let's delete everything we had before except for system pause and return 1, because you'll probably need that in everything. So let's start by typing string. We're gonna make a new string. Actually, no, we'll make a new integer variable because that'll be easier. Int, and we'll make it let's make it age, and we'll make it equal to 0 for now, because it's not good to have a variable that doesn't equal anything most of the time, because that's slightly dodgy. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to okay, so what we'll do is we'll get the computer to say how old are you, and then the user can say how old they are. Alright, so let's do that. So we'll go cout how old are you? Old are you? Question mark. And we'll leave a space for them to type what they want to type. And we won't do a new line because we want the answer to be on the same line because it looks pretty fancy and cool, like you know what you're doing. And so what we'll do now is we'll use a new command that we haven't used yet. We'll use a command called cin. So to say it's CIN, and that stands for console in, I'm guessing. Okay, so we'll go two greater than signs, so not two less than signs, two greater than signs, and we'll say the the variable that is going to be going into the user input is going to be going into a variable. So we'll make the age. So the user will be typing a number, and that number will be stored somewhere in the user's RAM with the name age. Okay, so since we've got that happening, we're going to so after the user types in their age, we'll get to print out on the screen your age is, what their age is, and then the program can exit just so we can see that it's working. So we'll go cout less than signs. So your age is, close that, and two less than signs, and then we'll go age, which is that variable, of course. So we'll also do end line just to make it look good. And then system pause will come out. So what we'll do now is we'll compile that and run it. So it says how old are you? So I'm going to type in 45. Alright, enter, and it says your age is 45. Press any key to continue. So that's looking pretty good. What about a name? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go cout two less than signs. What is your name? Question mark, space. Okay, end that, and we'll make a new variable up the top. And remember that you gotta include string. So make sure that's included, and make this new variable. So string, and we'll call it name, and we'll set it equal to null for now, just so we're not using variables that don't have anything in them. So because that can cause some errors. So okay, so what we'll do is it says what is your name, so we'll go cin, and we'll say two greater than signs, and we'll say name. So it'll the user's input will go into name. And the thing is with you can't make say you wanted to import some text, like say you wanted some text as a variable. If you use integer for that, it'll give you this crazy decimal number. Hexadecimal number, and it'll be really crazy looking, and the user wouldn't know what's going on. So if you're trying to get a name in there, use string, because string will print out ASCII and stuff like that. So we've got our string variable that the user has typed in. So now we want to say cout. We want to say your name name is. I'm really typing slow today. Okay, so your name is, and then name. Okay, so end line, and that's great. So let's test that out. Compile and run. And here it is here. So how old are you? I am actually 14. Enter your age is 14. What is your name? My name's Dainyon. Enter your name is Dainyon. Press any key to continue. That's looking pretty sweet. So that's really good. That's all I can think of to show you this tutorial. So we'll leave it there, and I'll think of something for next tutorial. Something to do with math or something. Something math or something. So, we'll have that happening, and sit tight for the next tutorial. See you soon.